Today, I'll show you how to get cool hover effects for the button on your site. It's mobile responsive and you can achieve effects like this, and like this, or whatever you want. It's super simple. You just have to copy and paste the CSS code from the pinned comment below into your button. But before that, you will need to tweak a few settings. So make sure to watch the entire tutorial. If you want this hover effect, just select the button, scroll down until you find the CSS class section and enter this. Then go to the style and set the border to 2px on all sides. Now go to the pinned comment below, copy the whole code and then navigate to CSS code section like this and paste the code here. See how easy that was? But this method isn't the same for all buttons. So hang in there. Let's move on to the next hover effect. I think you should know this first. Adding CSS and HTML codes for effects can slow down even a new site and create bad user experience. And what's the point of adding all of these cool effects if they don't show up properly? Don't worry, I have a long-term solution. Just install Airlift. Enter your site's URL here and it will optimize your site to achieve a 90+ page speed score. It is a speed optimization tool that automatically optimizes new changes on your site, keeping it fast. So, if you don't get this score at any point, just reach out to support and they will help you out. Now, this one is super easy. The code is so simple that you can tweak it to match your website style. Select the button. Go to the CSS code section. Copy the code from the pinned comment and paste it here. To adjust the style, go to this section of the code and change the color from here. If you want to modify the glow effect, just find this part and tweak it. To get this Venom style hover effect, select the button on the left and set the CSS class to liquid button. Then copy the code from, I think you already know this. After copying the code, paste it into the CSS code section like this. But we are not just done yet. Go back to the code doc and copy the HTML code as well. Then return to your page, drag and drop an HTML widget at the bottom and then paste the code. Now, if you want to tweak it, for example, changing colors, simply go to Style, change the border to this. Then navigate here until you find this section and update the effect's color. Our next button has a nice reveal effect like this. Again, you can customize it however you like. No CSS classes needed. Just copy the code and paste it into your button CSS section. You can change the text from the Style tab. Since these sizes are based on EM, a relative unit, they automatically adjust the screen size, making them fully responsive. Getting that neon glow effect on your buttons. Follow the same steps. Copy and paste the code. Set the border width to 2px and change the text color from the Style tab. If you want to customize the glow color, go to this section of the code and change it from here. This button's hover effect is really cool. It has a nice 3D pop-up effect like this. To achieve it, just copy and paste the code. Just tweak the border radius and border like this and done. And if you want to test out the buttons or if you run into any issues, be sure to use the JSON template linked in the comments below. And if you have any questions, I'm always here to help.